The Job and Career Accelerator offers a full suite of personalized tools and expert advice designed to guide you through the entire job searching process. The homepage displays a listing of all the main features of the Accelerator. You'll first discover the Saved Jobs dashboard, which offers easy access to your 5 most recent saved jobs, resumes, and letters, and the job search. To dig deeper into these sections, simply follow the links to the full career dashboard, which will be your home base of operations as you use the Accelerator. Build Resumes and Job Letters includes resources for creating professional resumes and eye-catching job letters. The tools in Find a Career Match will help you discover which occupations might be a perfect fit for you. The Explore Occupations tools let you browse detailed information on more than 1,000 different careers. In Search for Jobs and Internships, you'll find powerful search engines to suit your specific job search needs, and a tutorial that will walk you step by step through the entire process. Prepare for an Interview offers a collection of tutorials and ebooks, all designed with one goal: to help you ace your interview. JCA also includes the extensive Career eBooks library, which is stacked with expert advice and guidance. And finally, students will find comprehensive resources for searching for scholarships, colleges, and graduate schools in Discover Schools and Scholarships. From any section of Job and Career Accelerator, you will have access to robust guidance content, which includes information about the Accelerator, plus expert advice for different types of job seekers, including people looking for entry-level jobs, people leaving the military, and professionals who are changing careers, as well as expert advice that everyone who is looking for a job should know. As you use the Accelerator, all your work progress will be saved in your full career dashboard. You can access the full career dashboard from the links in the Saved Jobs dashboard or from My Center.